6 of these slimes are fake, and I have to figure out which ones are real and which ones are imposters. I have 3 rounds to pick out all the imposters, and if I get any wrong, then I have to put my arms in glue. And I have hairy arms. I'm going for the clay kit first, but 3 of these slimes are real slimes that we've sold in the shop, and then there are 2 fake ones that are made to look like real slimes. I don't know if I'll be able to get them right, but this one is interesting. I obviously went with the clay kit first, and what is this, like a jelly slime? Interesting. I don't think we've done any jelly slimes that go with the clay, so that's already suspect number 1. Well, I think technically we did one last week. I mean, I do a restock live stream every week, so you'd think that I would know all of them, but I couldn't tell you a slime that we had from last week. I do so much content at Peachybbies that I just sometimes can't keep track of it. It's very pretty. This is a great slime. And then I almost don't want to mess it up too much yet because I want to get a look at all the slimes here. So we're gonna assemble the really nice clay kit, and I love all the little glitter action going on. This does look like a sorbet ice cream slime, even though those don't go together. But overall, that one's not too bad. I am sus about it. I'm not gonna lie. This one's my first sus slime. Now this one, I feel like I don't know the name of this one, but I know I've seen this one. Like I have to say, this one is almost a definitive that this is real. It's like some puff peach slime or something like that. This one looks like a real slime that we sell in our shop. I feel like I've seen this one walking along the aisles in the warehouse. Screw it, I'm gonna say that this one's a real one. I already gotta throw this one in. Or no, this is a fake one. Oh yeah, I also have this red square right here. These are the fake slimes, and then this is where I'm gonna put the real slimes. So I'm confirming that one, and once I put it there, I can't move it. Next one here, see we got like a really cool clear slime. We got some fire, almost rock stuff. Don't recognize the stuff on the bottom. This one feels really nice. It's like got a crunchy vibe. I wanna say this one is the slime is lava. This one, I mean, I can't even, this one has to be it. There's no way. We literally don't have any other slimes that use these rocks in it. So that's what immediately gave it away. So this one I'm gonna have to say is the slime is lava. I mean, it's a clear slime. It has the lava rocks. I mean, come on, I even know the full name. Now our 4th one for this round. Open up, get out of there. Interesting. So this one's like a microfloam. It's like nautical theme, but I'm curious if they just ever so slightly messed the slime up, like or took the charm out and maybe messed the color up just a little bit. That would throw it off. So that's what I'm kind of nervous about because I don't recognize this color that much. And I'm also the charm action, like, let's see, what is that? It's either a whale or a narwhal. I'm not entirely sure. I'm kind of, no. Would that be BB Narwhal? I think we have one in the shop that's BB Narwhal. I'm not sure. I'm kind of sussed out by this one. I feel like the color is off just a little bit. So that one I'm gonna leave as a maybe. Our last one for this round. This one is interesting because we have been experimenting with a lot of new slime textures. This one totally gives me that vibe. My only thing that I'm very suspect about, this swirl right here. Like I'm trying to think of like production wise, we would not do something like this because it would take so long and to make it look like this. Just for the sake of science and for the challenge, I do want to feel this one. I mean, I don't know how they made this. Whoever made this one did a really good job. It looks really pretty. I kind of actually want to mix this one together just to see what color it makes. So they put like the nice charms. This is actually a great slime. Like, I mean, if it's a fake one or, I mean, it could be real. So right now, I have to pick 2 that are my imposter ones and 1 that are real. I could argue that this one is Baby Narwhal because of the charm. So I'm gonna have to say that this one is real and these 2 are fake.
So you're locking it in?
I'm locking them in. How'd I do?
You got them.
Sweet, let's go. All right, I'm feeling confident now. Let's move on to round 2. Let's start off round 2 with a banger. And you know, I'm just too good at this. I will be surprised if I get any of these wrong now. I can't believe we got that first round right, but now I'm actually kind of skeptical already. Maybe it was a little bit of false confidence because I'm already looking at this now and maybe it's just because of the challenge, but I'm a little skeptical if this one is real or not. Because I know we did a Bingsu one, but I don't know if this is the right colors and or charms because I don't remember seeing this color like Bingsu slime in the shop. See, we got a strawberry charm, but there's no peaches. Like that's what I immediately think of, like the orange being like peaches. I'm gonna have to put this one to the side. You are suspect, sir, and I don't know you. This one I can see from a million miles. This is Ocean Buddies. Like, come on. Like, I'm not even, this is ridiculous. Like, you really think you guys were gonna fool me with Ocean Buddies? This is a classic. This one, this slime has been here, I think, longer than I have been at the company. Like, come on. Bruh. Throwing it right there, all right? Next one. Okay, I'm actually sussed out with this one. I thought this one was Otters in Love, but this one has ice cream. I don't think I've seen this one before, but the charms for it look pretty good. I'm actually more I'm pretty skeptical at the moment. So wait, we have this cute ice cream charm, if I can pull it out. So we got this ice cream charm, very cute. And we also have it in blue. Wait. Oh yeah, I wasn't using all my senses. I can use scent. This one does smell like it's smelly. I'm actually stumped on this one. I don't know for sure if this one's real or not. But see, it's weird though, because like I immediately think of like cotton candy, and it doesn't smell like cotton candy. It has a scent to it. So I don't know. I'm gonna put that one in a maybe pile for the moment. All right, this one looks fake for sure. Like they just threw in like a cow charm, like come on. We do have multicolored slimes like this, but the reason why we don't do them is because they're just very hard to pack and then the colors bleed. Like this one's probably been packed for like a couple hours and you can already see how it's kind of bleeding. If we left this for a couple days, you could really see like how the white would kind of like, all the colors would blend. However, this is a very fun colored slime though. So whoever did it, good job. It looks very cool. Like look at that drizzle. That's actually like a really awesome slime. I'm gonna have to say that this one is fake. Add like maybe like a dramatic sound effect or something. And our final one, okay. I do remember seeing a lemonade in the shop last week, or blackberry? I don't know. Oh, it does smell good. This one looks like it's activated good. It's got good theming. So whoever did make it, they actually thought about this one. I am gonna have to say that this one is real. Because I do kind of remember grabbing this one for the restock last week when we were filming. But nonetheless, this one's pretty. Yeah, this one's real. Come on. Oh, wait. Almost put it in the wrong one. All right, we got these two left. And I'm very skeptical. The thing that throws me off with this one is this orange bingsu. This is the crunchy beads, the really cool parts. That's what throws me off because I don't remember seeing that last week. I do know we've been experimenting with doing a lot more bingsu and cloud dough slimes, but it's the orange that throws me off. Like I don't remember seeing that, but the theming's not bad. This one, the theming is like damn near perfect. Like our slime idea creators, like they made this. Like this feels like a fully thought out slime. But the scent is like super suspect because it's not like a sweet scent. So I'm gonna have to go with my gut and trust my big nose that this one is fake and this one is real. Did I get it right?
Perfect score.
You know what? Thank you. I trusted my nose, my big nose, and knew what it was talking about. But I genuinely thought that this one was real, and I still was very suspect of that one. You could have easily gotten me if you just changed the color of that bingsu slime, and I would have been like, okay, this one's probably not real. But anyways, let's move on to our final round. Round 3, perfect score. Here we go. Let's kick it off with whatever this slime. Oh, what is this slime called? I feel like I've seen this before though. That's what's throwing me off. Let's just see, maybe I just need to play with it. Let it speak to me. Let's see, it's got a good pull. It seemed like it was packed well. Some sort of sorbet action going on. I'm still suspect of this one, so we're gonna wait right there. Let's move on to our next one. This is another one that could be real. It's packed great. I'm trying to think, have I seen this like purple swirl vibe going on? I don't think so. Feels nice. Ooh, I like the mixture of the textures for this one. I mean, again, if this is one that's fake, then we should add this one in the shop. Again, this one's sus. If it's an old one, it's an old one that we haven't had in the shop in a while because I don't remember seeing that one recently. Let's check out our third one. We're still maybe. All right, this one for sure is Cotton Candy Freeze because I just played with this one earlier this week. Smell check. Oh yeah, that's Cotton Candy Freeze. It's an icy texture, super great. You should pick it up at peachybbies.com. But this one is the real deal. A real one, locking that one in. Next one looks like a kiwi. Interesting, because I know we don't really pack slimes that have this like syrup on it, but maybe the syrup is already added. Like right now, these 3 could be fake. Like I could get 3 fake vibes, but I know there's only 2 that are supposed to be fake. So that's what's throwing me off by this one. Maybe we'll just play with it. See, this one could be real. This could be like an old like kiwi one Not even old, this is like a few months old. It does have a smell to it. That top really sussed me out there. I gotta keep that in mind, but right now, all three look fake to me. But this one, I feel like this one might be real, because I think this one is like star fragments, I wanna say. Because I just remember it kind of looking like this like chaotic mess, but in like a good, like in a good way. Like I don't mean it in a bad way. Because this one's got like the really nice bingsu over the, yeah, this one's real. Oh yeah, it's got a great texture. I do remember, I think Anna and I were playing with something similar to this on our live stream that we do every Friday. You should check it out. Restock! But it's nice because the bingsu, like, it just feels so good on your hands. I'm gonna say that one's real. So this one is real, but now I have to pick out 2 of these are fake and 1 is real. So I guess let me just play with them. I have to say this one, well, no, this one is the one that could have been real because I do remember seeing colors similar to that walking in the shop. But this one, I don't think I've seen anything like this in the shop. So I'm gonna say that one is our imposter. So one of these is real and one of these is fake. I know we've done a kiwi slime in the past, but having that top is really throwing me off. This one, the colors are throwing me off. Obviously, now that it's mixed, it's not helping me. I should have really not mixed it. That's not helping my case here. But then the green, like why are these, like we never do like colored theming. And the fact that those are colored is throwing me off. Like what if that's like a new slime and I don't know that yet? Okay, I think I'm just gonna go with my gut here. I'm gonna have to say that this one is real and this one is fake. I'm gonna lock it in. Please tell me that I picked the right slimes. I got them right. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, well, I'm sorry guys. You will not see these hairy arms in glue, okay? Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.